When your Hampton Bay air conditioner isn't cooling properly, start with the basics. First, check your thermostat settings. Ensure the thermostat is set to cool mode and the temperature setting is lower than your current room temperature. This simple check solves many cooling issues. Next, examine your air filter. A dirty filter is one of the most common causes of cooling problems. A clogged filter restricts airflow, reducing cooling capacity and potentially causing evaporator coils to freeze. Replace or clean your filter every 1 to 3 months. Inspect your outdoor condenser coils for dirt and debris. Dirty coils prevent efficient heat dissipation, making your air conditioner work harder. Clean the coils with a soft brush or water hose to remove dirt and debris. This simple maintenance step can significantly improve cooling performance. If you discover frozen evaporator coils, turn off your air conditioner immediately to allow them to thaw completely. After the coils thaw, address the underlying cause, which is typically restricted airflow from a dirty filter or blocked vents. Finally, ensure your thermostat is properly maintained. It should be clean, level, and not exposed to direct sunlight, which can cause false readings. Check the batteries and inspect the wiring for loose connections or corrosion. These simple maintenance steps can prevent many thermostat-related cooling issues. These diagnostic steps can often restore your Hampton Bay air conditioner's cooling efficiency. If problems persist after these checks, it may indicate more complex issues requiring professional attention. When basic troubleshooting doesn't solve your Hampton Bay AC cooling problems, you may be dealing with more complex compressor or refrigerant issues that require professional attention. First, listen carefully for unusual noises coming from your AC unit. Buzzing sounds often indicate electrical problems. Clicking may suggest relay issues, and grinding noises typically point to compressor bearing problems. Next, check for refrigerant leaks by listening for hissing sounds and looking for ice buildup on the coils. Low refrigerant reduces cooling capacity and can cause the compressor to overheat, leading to expensive damage. For electrical testing, you can use a multimeter to check capacitors and thermostats. However, be extremely careful with electrical components and turn off power before testing. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, call a professional. Professional HVAC technicians should handle refrigerant leaks, complex compressor problems, and sealed system issues. They have specialized tools and training to safely diagnose and repair these components. Remember, regular maintenance and timely professional help can prevent major breakdowns and keep your Hampton Bay AC running efficiently for years to come.